On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe you'll definitely be hungry to learn. Delicious miso ramen stir fry. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. I absolutely love noodle recipes, really anything noodle related, and I bet that you'll love this noodle recipe as well. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Two pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Small piece of ginger, finely chopped. Two sticks green onion, finely chopped. Chop 60 grams of broccolini into bite-sized pieces. Remove the seeds from 6 to 8 dried chili peppers. That's really basically it for all the prep. Super simple, and if you love easy recipes like I do, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or that brand new Cook with Confidence cookbook. If you'd like to see a preview of inside the book, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out or get your signed copy. Cook the noodles for half the time to package instructions, in this case, 2 minutes. Stir the noodles occasionally to keep them from sticking. Reserve a quarter cup of cooking water. Strain out the noodles and set aside. Toss the noodles with a splash of toasted sesame oil. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of miso paste in the cooking water. One tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Mix. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. 3 tablespoons avocado oil. Green onion, garlic, and ginger. Dried chili peppers. Saute for about 30 seconds. Broccolini. 30 grams seafood mushrooms. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Half cup canned chickpeas. Noodles. Sauce. $80 grams bean sprouts. Saute for another 1 to 2 minutes and that's done. Plate. Sprinkle with white sesame seeds. You can now stir fry up these delicious noodles with absolute confidence. This is going to be a real treat. Absolutely guarantee it. Man, that is so flavor packed. Really, really delicious. That miso paste is really kind of like the ninja behind the scenes because you can't tell that there's any miso in this, but the flavor from the miso just gives that really, really incredibly delicious umami flavor, and it's just worked into that sauce. And the soy sauce adds a little bit of that saltiness. The dark soy sauce is what gives this plate of noodles that beautiful caramel color. And the dried chili peppers just adds that kind of really complementary little bit of a spicy kick. The chickpeas just adds that delicious meatiness, and the broccolini just has that beautiful, delicious crunch. You get a bit of that mushroom flavor as well. In this episode, I'm using these seafood mushrooms, but of course you can use whatever mushrooms you like. Shiitake mushrooms would work really well. The bean sprouts just add that extra bit of crunchiness and a bit of a freshness. Because we toss the noodles in the toasted sesame oil, just gives it that extra bit of toasted sesame kind of aroma. It's so crazy to think that that sauce looked so liquidy, but because we have cooked the noodles in the pot and finished cooking them in the frying pan, they have the opportunity to absorb all of that amazing sauce, and you literally can see that it is not a saucy, it's not swimming in any sauce. Absolutely delicious, full of amazing flavor, and of course, as always, really easy to put together. It's just so amazing to be able to turn just simple, humble ingredients into something that is restaurant quality. By the way, if you love easy and delicious recipes like this, be sure to check out those cookbooks, the Vegan Ramen Cookbook and the brand new Cook with Confidence Cookbook, which has a whole bunch of the favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check these out, take a little bit of a peek inside the book, and as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.